How to enable antivirus on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable antivirus on Windows 11. To turn on antivirus on Windows 11, simply follow the steps as shown in this guide. Windows Defender is a Microsoft built-in antivirus software that comes with Windows 11. So to enable or turn on antivirus in Windows 11, left-click on Start menu icon, and click on Settings. In Settings window, click on Privacy and Security in the left panel. In Privacy and Security, click on Windows Security option. In Protection areas, click on the first option, which is Virus and Threat Protection. On the bottom, under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. In the Virus and Threat Protection Settings, you will see option of Real-Time Protection. Toggle the switch for the Real-Time Protection to the on position. You can see the message Real-Time Protection is on leaving your device. This is the easiest method to enable antivirus on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.